Here's a dog who always has his owner's back. The 4-year-old Askell perfectly balances behind his owner, even on sharp turns.
Desisyon ako na mag-alaga talaga ng aso para lagi kong makasama araw-araw para maging protection ko rin.
The dog has never fallen off the motorcycle, but once in traffic, he leapt off to tackle thugs trying to steal his owner's gold necklace. Gilbert says there's no secret behind their double act. It's about focused training and starting early. When the puppy was a month old, Gilbert bought him at a wet market for 100 pesos. At 2 months, he trains Bogey to fetch. At 4 months, to shake hands. And at 7 months, to ride on a motorcycle. At a year, Bogey learns how to bark on command.
Stop.
His owner can leave for hours and depend on Bogey to stand watch. But Bogey has become more than a guard dog.
Parang anak ko na siya siguro, parang ganun. Partner ko na talaga siya eh. Kumbaga, sa 4 years namin, halos hindi kami nagkakahiwalay araw-araw eh.
Bogey is well-traveled too. Gilbert brings him on family vacations to Ilocos, Baguio, and even Boracay. And he doesn't miss out on the fun when Gilbert takes a zip line. These two may look like the epitome of cool, but they have another side. On long rides, they listen to love songs. Gilbert crafted a special helmet outfitted with headphones.
Pagka naka-headset siya, nung helmet niyang may Walkman, cool lang siya na backride, hindi siya magulo. Tapos makakita mo sa kanya, parang lagi lang siyang naka-smile.
And this dog is not going to be arrested for violating the helmet law. The helmet, which Gilbert molded specially to the dog's head, is certified. Driving around Manila, keep an eye out for this super canine. The signature helmet, the tailored Ferrari jacket, and tinted aviators. Riding in tandem has never been this cute. Catherine Visconti, Rappler, Manila.